Chapter 3 Printable Vinyl Template. On the Mac computer, locate the printable vinyl template by navigating to Desktop, Vinyl Cutter Templates, and open either the A3 or A4 printable vinyl template, depending on the size of the material you are using. Find the artwork you would like to cut and place it within this template. Ensure your artwork fits within the central rectangle. If it doesn't, the cutter will not be able to recognize it when cutting. It should be composed of two layers, the artwork itself and the cut lines. Once you have resized your artwork, move the artwork to the Your Artwork layer in the Layers panel. Then, move Cut Lines to the Cut Lines layer. Hide the template layer and select the Guide layer. It will appear as a yellow box. With the Guide layer selected, go to Window, then Mamaki Fine Cut. In the Mamaki Fine Cut window, select the second to last option on the top row. This will add registration marks to your sheet. In the pop-up window, select OK. In the Layers panel, hide the cut lines. Now, go to File, Save a Copy, select Adobe PDF, and save it to a USB memory stick. Your artwork is now ready to print. But before you do so, you should identify the vinyl side of your printable vinyl sheet. To do this, carefully peel a corner, only slightly, to determine which is the sticky side. The sticky side is the vinyl side. On the photocopier, open the bypass tray, located on the left-hand side. Fully extend the tray and slide the guides outwards if necessary. Insert your vinyl sheet, vinyl side face down, into the tray. Slide the guides inwards to match the material size. On the printer screen, choose the size of material and set the material type to light glossy cardstock. Press Confirm. If not automatically prompted on screen, for USB, select Print From, then USB, and locate your artwork. Remember, it should be a PDF. Once located, select Two-Sided Printing and set it to one-sided. Next, select Paper Supply and choose the bottom option. Then select Image Scale and Placement, More Options, Scale Image, and set it to No Scaling. Select OK to save these settings. Now you can print out your artwork and proceed to Chapter 4, Loading Printed Vinyl.